What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. I am Brandy. Today I am excited. I am happy. I got an Instapot and your girl is going to hook you up. I'm going to show you guys how you can get this Instapot for the low. Now you guys know it normally runs, if you've been looking at this appliance and been checking it out, this appliance normally runs $100. $119 if you want the big one. And they have a $79 one, and they also have a $99 one. This is the $99 one that I got, but I can get you a deal. If you go to your local Walmart and you bring your phone with you, make sure, guys, bring your phone with you. Go on the Walmart.com app, because Walmart price matches from Walmart to Walmart. And online, they don't do price matches with any other stores, any other competitors but their own. They stopped that a long time ago. So if you guys go on and get on that Walmart.com app, I want you guys to type in Insta Pot. And you guys will see, let's see if it shows up. Online, they have this pot on sale for $59. So you go to the cashier, you show them this on your phone, and they will price match it for you. And that's how you get this pot on sale. The real deal, brought to you right into your kitchen. So this is mine that I am overly excited about. And we're going to open this baby up together. So I didn't want to leave y'all out of the fun. What do you know? This is the instruction book. We'll just sit this over here. Comes with your card. And here is this pretty little baby. Oh, I wasn't expecting it to be that heavy. Voila. Once again, guys, this is the box it comes in. Make sure that you pick up, this is the Duo. This is the Instapot Duo. This is the 7-in-1. And like I said, it's originally $100. But if you follow my instructions, you can have this baby in your kitchen for $59. Yes. So, let me figure it out. Okay, so you take that off. Well, guys, before we get to cooking today with this Instapot, I'm going to wash it out. But this is the lid of it. It comes off. This is where the pressure comes. I've been studying this, y'all. I've been studying it, honey. Studying it, watching all the videos. This is, I don't know what this is. But we'll read. We better read and figure out. I guess I need this. You can sit your meats on this rack. I'll put that over there. This is a little inner pot. Nice and shiny. This is what the inside of that looks. It's just a warmer. Thank you. I know this goes somewhere. I just gotta figure it out. Okay, I need to cut her on, and I'm going to have a whole turkey. I just need 5 minutes. I'm going to saute my turkey. Lord of mercy, I don't have a turkey. I'm going to saute my chicken, let it get brown, and then I'm going to cook it. So they say it takes about 5 minutes to warm up, so I'm just letting it warm up. Okay, guys. So now that that is on and popping, I'm going to put her in there, let her get brown on that side, and then I'll flip her. Let me show you guys what we're working with. I am sauteing her right now. Okay, as you guys can see, it has ended on this side from sauteing, so I'm going to carefully be careful because it's hot. Carefully flip her over. This time on this side I'm gonna go 5 minutes because I don't like how that's not brown, and that's not browned enough for me. So I'm gonna push saute again. You see how it says over here 5 minutes.
You want to test everything.
There we go. I'm going to show you guys. That is how much it browned on this side. I'm just gonna let it cook. Okay guys, so now that that's browned on that side for 5 minutes, I'm going to pour in 1 cup of water. I'm going to make sure this lip is on tight. I'm going to, it's closed. I'm going to cook this on for 35 minutes. It's crazy, y'all, because I keep looking for a freaking start button. And they say make sure that at the top, up here, where your pressure is, make sure that you put it on steaming in order for it to pressure cook. So make sure this is pushed up. And when you're done, before you open the lid, make sure you vent it out. So that's it, guys. We have to, it has to warm up. But it is ready to start. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me and my Insta. Make sure you guys comment down below, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one.